when we are doing our master data management journey, the big question is that how will you select a MDM vendor? Well, that's a buzzing question, and that is the kind of question which keeps coming to us. Well, there are a few things, very important things, the important criteria which we must carefully consider before selecting a vendor. The first thing is you need to know your use cases, you need to know your requirements, that why exactly you need MDM tool. So if you can list out those criteria, if you can list out the pain points, then the first job is done. Second is that you need to evaluate a vendor by aligning those criteria to their features. Third thing is you have to invite them for a demonstration. Ask them to do a demo on the use cases which you have identified for yourself. Once you have done that, you will know that these are some of the top vendors whom I can go for. And obviously, you need to follow some of the analysts, like you can follow Gartner Magic Quadrant, Gartner reports, Forrester reports. There are multiple reports there from recognized analysts like Gartner or Forrester. They will help you that these are some of the top vendors in MDM industry which you can prefer. Apart from that, when you ask them to do a demo for you, make sure that you rank them on the use cases, on the features which you have highlighted for yourself. So once you have done that scoring, once you have done that ranking, you will know that these are some of the top people, top vendors, top tools whom we can implement master data management solution. That is the way you select a particular MDM vendor, and always make sure that when you are engaging with them, then you have to make sure that your use cases are absolutely correct. It should be in line with what you exactly require. So there are no good and bad tools, no number one, no number, there are no numbering for tools. It completely depends upon why you need that tool, what are your use cases, whether that tool fits into your requirement or not. There are some tools which are excellent in customer master. There are some tools which are excellent in product master. So it completely depends that why you need that tool. But these kind of analysis, these kind of reports, the criteria which I've just mentioned you, it will definitely help you in choosing a right MDM. And if you're still confused, you can reach out to Envision MDM team, and we will certainly help you in choosing the right MDM vendor. Thank you.